Hello.
Okay, so do you know why you're here?
Apparently men have a lower pain tolerance than women.
We're going to test this. We're going to see the Venus razor that came in the box. So we're just going to do a little shavy. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. How was that?
It was nothing. Slight sting.
Out of 10, what will you give it?
A 1.
Really?
Not
A
even.
1?
Yeah, not even a 1.
This is where the IPL technology comes in contact with your skin. On either side of the treatment window, you have two sensor-adapt skin tone sensors. Yes, they sense your skin tone to ensure that each time you use this on your skin, it is safe and it continuously reads your skin tone before every flash, automatically adapting the light intensity.
It works. You can see just how easy and straightforward it is to use. There's 2 different modes to select from. You can either have the glide mode, which is what I'm using. It's perfect for arms and legs and just large treatment areas. And the other one is press and release, which is what you will be using for sensitive areas like your bikini line and also your underarms.